Thanks for coming on the show.
Squawk!
And your name is?
Steve the Seagull!
And what's your favorite word?
Squawk!
Because you're a seagull. Right. What's your favorite book?
Squawk!
What's your favorite thing to say during sex?
Squawk!
What's your mom's name?
Squawk!
Your father's?
Squawk!
Favorite sport?
Squawk!
Your favorite kind of lesbian?
Squawk!
Butt slam!
Your favorite meal?
Squawk!
The appearance of which clown do you hate the least?
Squawk!
Thanks, pal.
Squawk! Squawk! I'm Steve the Seagull!
Now, big fella. We'll be right back with Kirstie Alley's
Ballsack.
after this short break. Steve Tires a man tire. Tires for a fucking man.
Tires extremely unmanly, may explode upon use.
Cool weekends in the morning.
This captured only moments ago at the press conference in Italy.
Yo, fuck you, Steve. Yo, you come after me, you fuck with me, I'll eat your babies, man. Fuck you, I'll eat your babies, son.
This statement made earlier today is random and wacky at best. We're gonna scratch the sitch with the raccoon fix. Raccoon, what do you make of this?
Yeah, basically, this random guy doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. Steve don't have children, okay? He's like a young guy. He's like 20-something, he's not even married, okay? So he doesn't have children.
Butt slam!
This guy is talking out his ass, basically.
A wacko.
You know? Yeah, exactly.
Well, thanks, Raccoon. Scratcherific.
No worries. Peace.
WQHG.
Steve who?
Steve the Seagull!
Steve who? Steve who?
Steve the Seagull!
Steve who?
Steve the Seagull!
Steve who? Steve who?
Squawk! I'm Steve the Seagull!